Probably the biggest portion of my day is spent on investment decisions, allocation of capital, and primary decision number one is what's the return on investment. Primary decision number two is what's the time horizon that we're looking at? Is this a short-term decision? Is it a longer-term decision? And number three for me is what's the exit? If not every investment is going to go the way that you planned, or even if it is successful, what do you do in the future? And then number four, how does this investment decision impact other decisions that we have to make as a company?
I would add, it's definitely helpful for any organization to have a strategy and derive from the strategy some criteria more on the softer aspects to vet out what's the best investment or not.
Well, the number one step for me when determining how to reinvest capital in the business, number one is we have to have the capital to reinvest in the business. So the existing businesses, hopefully they're generating sufficient cash flow that we can reinvest and meet all of our other capital requirements, whether they may be dividends or capital repayments to banks or that any other cash flow requirements. So once we've hit our cash flow requirements, then we have the good problem of how do we reinvest the proceeds of our existing operations.
I think the entry step is really understanding the customer first, not only from where the organization spends the money, but also understanding what are the long-term goals, what is the strategy, what is this customer aiming for, and basically staying competitive, staying relevant, being a good business partner for our customers, and being also a good corporate citizen.